Hey y'all, Midnight Soul 13. I made a video earlier of this when it was really coming down. We finally got rain today about 3 o'clock, I think. And I had lost that video. It wouldn't do right, I lost it. So, yeah, it did almost fill up the, hey Cece, you saying hey? Yeah. What? Yeah? It did almost fill up the bird feeder. No, bird bath. Yeah. Didn't do, I gotta change their feed whenever, their bird feed whenever it quits raining. Well, Sissy, you're awful vocal today. Yeah, you're awful vocal and you're wet. Yeah, a wet girl. Yeah. What are you doing outside? You know it's raining. You know it's raining. You saying hey to everybody, huh? You saying hey? Miss Vocal. Miss Vocal. Yeah. So, oh, sorry. I got busy and, talking to the kitten. She's full grown. She's a full grown toddler. Look, y'all, I don't know if y'all can see it. You see that tree right there? You see the face in it? That's so cool. I don't know if it's going to let me go up on it or not. Oh, that's too far. See it? Right there. Oh, my fingers ran away. Right there. Yeah, that's cool. That's so cool. Earlier there was another one. Look up there. You see that? Sunshine. Well, it's not actual. Anyway, never mind. Earlier when I made the video, there was all kinds of faces. You see that one right there? Ain't too much going on with the clouds. I can't see faces in it. But yeah, I'm a special kind of twisted. And I like it. There's one right there. Come on, quit. Quit. Well, here comes a cat. Oh, that's Troublemaker. That's Troublemaker. Yeah, that's Troublemaker. Now where'd that doggone thing go? There was another one I was sure. Oh, that one's creepy. See that one? Every time I put my finger there. You see that one? That one's creepy. Well, now you can't really see it. But, yeah. There's one up there of a llama or a cow. Right there. Some of the. There's another one right up there. You see it? Right there. Okay. Yeah, he's still there. See what else we got. Why not? There's one right there. See it? Did you see it? Of course you saw it. Maybe you saw it. I don't know. There's all kinds of them in here. All right. It's sprinkling. That's all it's doing right now. But maybe we'll get more. So, and it's nice and cool today. Feels lovely. Got a breeze. It's beautiful. If it could stay at this temperature year round, I'd be happy. I don't know what the temperature is, somewhere in the 70s. But, if it was sun was out, then lower. Unless it's wintertime, then, 78, 70, 78, 77 be nice. Jabbering on about nothing, as usual. So, y'all have a happy day. There's a koala bear. Huh. Um, y'all have a happy day, blessed day. Stay healthy, happy, safe. I forgot the last one. My mind is just not with me today. Seldom is, but we won't mention that. Y'all just have a good one. Enjoy your day regardless of what the weather is or anything like that. Don't worry about your problems. Just be grateful because you got woke up today. You're alive, so be grateful. Even though it's hard, just be grateful. So I'll see y'all later. I'm out. See ya.